makers, welcome to the video. Today we are making a bow for this shoe. So if you want to see me create this bow today, stick around. All right. So first off, I want to say welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, welcome. As you know, this is your girl Jay from Jay Sewtastic. So what? I don't know. But today we're going to sew something today completely. We're going to try to go through the whole video together. Uh, mm, I had to get that sip in, y'all. But before we get to that video, I want to let you know this pattern is gone. I mailed that off. But I found another one in the midst of my cleaning. I also have this pattern. I have two of these. So I am also going to let me know by sending me an email. And if you want that pattern, okay? I was going to do the wheel, but I didn't. Maybe everybody has the pattern and already. So I was going to do a wheel of names, but that didn't work out. So let me put my mic on and let's get to, let's see what happens here. Okay, so yeah, so today we're gonna sew the bow for my shoe. As you saw, I announced it. You guys know I'm going to shades of blue in March, so I made the blue outfit, and I found out that there was a touch of lime, so I bought me some lime nails. All right, so I'm gonna press them on when it's time, and then I went on Amazon and I purchased some lime fabric. So we're gonna take this fabric and try to recreate this bow. And I found out too that it's just like 4 pieces of fabric. I don't know how long they are because I'm not going to take them apart, but I'm just going to make them all, let me see. Let me make sure before I start to talking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 pieces. So we have different layers. Okay, we have the first 2, and each one is longer than the other one, and this one is doubled up. Okay, so that's what we're going to try to make today. Let me bring y'all down a little bit to the table so y'all can see what's going on here. And here I have my fabric. This was a yard of fabric from Amazon that I bought. Let's see. Arismac lime green satin sewing 1 yard. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay, and I purchased it from Amazon. I'll link the amount that it was below. So what I'm going to do is just basically cut some strips, and then I'll cut them down to see if they work. Let me get my long ruler here. I'm also going to have to make me some lime green bobbin and so I think I got some thread.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well, ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well, I see. Well, ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well, I see. Well,
I think this combination will work best. Just one blue and two green. Okay. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Just a quick little DIY. So